welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to do sublimation on a bamboo cutting board from the Dollar Tree. Let me go over the supplies and then we'll jump into it. So these I got from the Dollar Tree. They're just little itty bitty 6x9-ish cutting boards, and they're made out of bamboo. I have some images that I printed. I did purchase off of Etsy just because I really liked it, but of course you can use your own images, stuff from Design Space, things like that. Absolutely can do that. Scotch thermal laminating pouches. You can get laminating sheets, but I figured this way I can just cut it and use the pouch as a sheet. I do have a lint roller just in case I need it. Parchment paper to prevent any blowout. I did bring the tape just in case I need it, and this lovely dispenser I got off of Amazon. I will link that below as well. And I have a knife, scissors, whatever you need to trim it afterwards. So I'm going to do two different things. I'm going to do one side without the laminating pouch, and it should be lighter, but it should still be really cool. And then I'm going to do the other side with the laminate. I don't know how long the laminate stays, so I wanted to just do a test and see what it looks like, both before and after. Well, both with and without, I should say. With and without, just to see. I don't know, I think that the fade might actually be kind of cool sometimes. And I did do one color just because I wanted to see how vibrant the color is. Of course, these are both printed on a Sublimation printer. I have the Epson 2720 Eco Tank, so I use that for sublimating. Pictures always turn out really good. I'm just starting to do mugs, things like that. Haven't done tumblers, so if you have any tips for tumblers, let me know. Definitely want to try that. Right now I just have a Cricut mug press. So tips for using it with the Cricut would be great. With the Cricut mug press would be great. But I'm also going to be using the Cricut Autopress. So I will turn the camera, I will turn the camera and video that as well when we've gotten to that. So I don't think I'm gonna need the lint roller. Looks like everything, since I just took the plastic off, there's really no lint. I will press this first just to get any moisture out of it. I do live in Florida, so it's very humid here. Just getting moisture out of it, so I'll show you that. And then I'm going to put one on one side, one on the other side. I did flip this because it has the artist the artist signature. I just really like the sketchy look. And then this one I flipped also just because of the words, so we'll be doing that. So yeah, let me move the camera around and I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully this angle works for you. Here we have the beautiful Cricut Autopress. You can also see a little light. That is from my Cricut Bright 360. That is the lighting I use here in my studio. Then we've got the tape that I don't know that I'm going to use, the bamboo, the laminate sheet, and everything right here. And then the controls right here. I'm going to do 400 for 60 seconds. At first I'm just going to do it for 5 seconds to get any moisture out of my bamboo cutting board, and then we'll go from there. So with the Cricut Autopress, all you have to do is press it down and it does the work for you. I'm not changing the timer. If you notice, so I'm only going to let it go 5 seconds, then I'm going to open it. I barely touch it and it opens. So now this is preheated. The first thing we're going to do on the first side is the press without the laminate sheet. So I did print 2 of each picture. So this is just going to go somewhere in the middle. I'm not going to be too picky about it. And then I am going to take some parchment paper, butcher paper, whatever, and put it on top just to prevent any blowout. And I shouldn't need it on the bottom because I don't have, like, the design's not out to the side. So, and then I'm going to press it for 60 seconds. you'll notice it will open by itself. And there you have the gorgeous little sketch. I'm not going to touch it because it is hot. But actually I am, because we're going to move it over. And let it cool. While we're letting it cool, we're going to do our other one, which is going to be this one. Always make sure you get a fresh piece of parchment paper. And we're going to line it up again. Remember, I did print those backwards. This side. Parchment paper, and we're going to do it again. That is gorgeous also, although it's a little lighter than I would want, which is fully expected. Okay, so I'm going to lower the temperature to 385. I let the machine cool down a little bit, and I'm going to actually press this matte side down, shiny side up for 60 seconds to get the laminate adhered. I don't know if I need the parchment paper, but I'm going to use it just in case. So I'm trying to smooth it out because there are bubbles in here. This is the first time I'm ever doing this. I've watched some videos, seen some blogs, seen some things that have said this is the way to do it, so that's why I'm trying it, but so far I don't like it. But we'll continue. We'll go ahead with the rest of this cut. So once that cooled off, so this is on wood, this is on laminate. Still a little hot. Always make sure you let it cool. So might as well do the last one since it's here, and then we'll see when it's all dry what we think. I really like this one. So black is a winner. But I'm gonna press this. I'm thinking there was too much moisture in that one, so I'm gonna press this a little bit before I put the laminate on, just to see if I can get some of the moisture out. Okay, So here's my thoughts. I love the one on the natural wood without the laminate. This one's a lot lighter. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one actually, you see a little bit of a crack in the cutting board. Not sure, I mean it's worse now, but I think there might have been one there when I started. I should have checked. Or the heat could have done it, but the heat definitely made it worse, but I still love it. It is gorgeous. The side with the laminate was a lot more vibrant, yes, but look, bubbles that I couldn't get out. And maybe I just need more practice. If you do this, do not use it for food. This is just going to be displayed in my kitchen or in my craft room for that matter. And yeah, they're just Dollar Tree, dollar store cutting boards. When I got them at the time they were $1. I know that the Dollar Tree has gone up in price. So see if you can see the bubbles in this one. So there you have it. Let me know which one's your favorite. Like I said, it is a lot more vibrant. From far away, you really can't tell too much. However, I kind of love it without. And I know not all cutting boards are going to be the same, but this is my absolute favorite. I just want to go draw this now and make one with my own drawing, and I absolutely love it. And of course, watercolor. The colors didn't turn out very vibrant, but you get the idea of what's supposed to be there. So definitely suggest doing black sublimation on these colors. I don't know, you might be able to get them to turn out more vibrant than I did. But again, my very first try sublimating on wood, and I love it. Thanks for watching.